talk, bro.
Nigga bought a bike to race somebody.
Ready?
Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dede. We back with another banger. You feel me? We are at, you see it, Volts Minibikes. You feel me? Parts. We sell parts, frames, seats, throttles, everything. So if you need parts, type in my boy Volts Minibikes on Instagram. Get out to him. He got everything from spacers, lock collars, throttles, rims, Loctite seats, throttle grips, helmets, gloves. Speaking of, I gotta pick up some riding gloves from my boy, you feel me? You know, try to be safe out here. Safety first. You know what video I'm talking about, make sure you comment. If you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. And to start something off, I wanna start, because I know I got a lot of people around the US that watch my videos. So comment what state and city you're watching this video from, so I'll give you a shout out on the next one. Sheesh. You know you're on camera now, man. Don't be trying to hide. What's up? And introduce me to the shop.
I have Volts Minibikes on Instagram, but I have Volts Minibikes.
Volts Mini. Oh man, you need some more energy than that. Do you need a Monster? You need a Snicker? You need some? What we got? What's in the selection right here, man?
Right now I don't got nothing.
You don't got nothing. You out of stock. Yeah. You got customers like that?
This. I got JBCs right now, inner tubes, grips, side cover gaskets, just like the basic stuff.
Yeah, I see it. Y'all need your fuel filters for those who be putting dirt and all type of stuff. Boy got shutter valves. You feel me? Gaskets. Tri-stars. I heard Tri-stars hard to come by, so y'all better make sure y'all get them here. Got that red Loctite, the grips. Oh my gosh. I wish he had some pink ones. I would put them on for the pegs. Yo, this man is hooked up. This bro's hooked up. Like, look at the gloves. Like, this is like some real premium leather type. You feel me? Like, this ain't none of that cheap stuff. And these helmets right here, fly for sure. Somebody's stealing off the vending machine. Look at you. Yeah, got you. Thought you was slick.
Got that boy.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how do they close it?
See, look, you don't even know how to close it. We still like Volts, man. We just been over here talking business opportunities. So make sure y'all tap in with Volts Minibikes on Instagram. I'm telling you the best prices on everything from tires, sprockets, throttles, complete throttle setups, grips, inner tubes, Tri-stars, Loctite. You feel me? So, yeah.
I'm on a fucking stocky.
You on a stocky?
That shit slow as fuck.
It's slow, man. What's your name, man? Shout your stuff out.
Richie. Lil Richie on Instagram.
Lil Richie. All right, so you Lil Richie.
Yeah.
All right, for sure. Yeah, I know. What's your name?
Junior. Too Faded Junior.
Too Faded Junior. You be smoking, Junior?
Yeah.
You gotta stay away from the drugs, man. Drugs bad for you, man. See what you got, a little F&B, little stockies going on, man.
That shit still has a governor. That shit slow.
Hey, it happens. It be like that. All right, say what's up, man.
I have one of those, like I've been on, and it never started.
All right. You wanna say what's up to YouTube?
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
What's your name?
What's up? RJ.
RJ. What state you live in?
I live in California.
What city?
LA.
LA? What? Like what area? Like what?
Huh?
Like what cross streets? Where you around?
I'm like Crenshaw.
Crenshaw on what? Like
Crenshaw, I'm like 40.
oh,
40th Street.
oh, you down there on that side by Lamar Park? That's what's up. How old are you again? 12, right?
Yeah, I'm 12.
Yes, sir. My boy finna be on YouTube. My boy finna go viral. You feel me? Anything you wanna say?
Yes, sir. Wait, what?
Anything you wanna say?
Look,
that's it. That's
hey, this is not real.
it is. You going on
Not
YouTube?
real.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That's what. Okay.
I need some, so make some of YouTube.
I can make you something else
yeah.
on the same Volts Minibikes.
Yes, sir.
Send me your, you
Yes.
got your
Yes, sir.
EG file for your.
We back at town. So we up at Eskies. It's a full house. We got Tommy on the phone with Ice House talking up a storm right here.
You're right. It's still gonna be
My
good
bad.
game.
But yeah, it's a full house. I got the bike in the car right now. You can barely see.
You
But
think you want to get in there. You don't want to get down in that water. You think you want to get in there.
we got everybody up here, man.
Lock that bread
Lock
up.
that bread up,
Lock
huh?
that bread up.
Got everybody up here.
No.
I do.
So what you was saying?
Man, I'm gonna race your bike,
You gotta
man.
race
Give
my
me, give me
bike.
2 months.
2 months.
I'm gonna go get the frame for GTs and we can run that motherfucker.
All right. You
Or
gonna
whatever
be,
you
gonna be
wanna
on
do.
gas or alky? So I can be prepared.
I'll run you on pump gas.
Pump gas? All right. I can do that.
You got my word, though. I'm gonna lock that motherfucker
All right,
in
man,
with
we
you,
can-
whatever
we can
you
do
want,
something.
fool.
All right, we
Y'all
can
got
do
my
that.
word.
What's
So
your
I got-
name?
Hey, Regis, fool.
Regis? All right.
I got that motherfucker for sure. I'm gonna hit you.
All right.
I know a couple of
Alright.
niggas that got some GT bikes for sale.
Hey.
What'd you say, J-Rock?
They got a couple for sale.
A couple bikes for
A
sale.
couple bikes for sale, man.
The one time I'm trying.
All right, but we back here at the shop. I hit my finger again. It hurt. I hit it on the table just now. So we getting back to it. Volts over here. Yikes. My man Volts over here doing a frame reinforcement and re-weld for this cracked frame right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So we working. And where you go? Don't forget we got the vending machine and everything. Volts. What you doing? Nothing. What do you don't do nothing here at the shop. You just walk around all day. And muscle shirts. You think you buff, huh? What you wanna fight or something? You wanna fight or something? But yeah, we just got back from Eskies right now. I'm working over here. I'm working on Andy's motor right now, trying to get it put back together. Little cam and rod. He's already got his flywheel and stuff, so don't mind my junky mess over here. Yes, sir. Yeah, we over here. It's my little work table right here. I got my own little workbench. So that's about it. This is a tour of my workbench. I got motor stuff, tools, more tools, and yeah. Sheesh. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Day Day. We over here at Volts Minibikes, working, grinding, hustling, doing something positive for the community at a young age, you feel me? So, I just broke Andy motor down real quick. He trying to get some go fast parts, so I'm gonna build his motor up. We're gonna see what we can do, huh, Andy?
Yeah, bro, look.
Look at what?
It's supposed to be like that. Look.
What's supposed to be like what?
Just metal coming on.
Damn, Andy, what was you doing, bro?
Bro, I went like 12 races straight.
12 races straight with no oil, huh?
Yeah.
It's just like, and this,
Water.
bro, what did you, bro, where's the water at? Yo, it's the end of the night, almost time for me to go to work. So we turned down in the shop right now, we're closing up shop right now, it's like 8 o'clock. We usually close at 7:30, but I stayed over to try to finish as much as I can before I go to work. So this is Volts finishing work on the reinforcement for the cracked frame. Yes, sir. And that man right there is good to go. So, if you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell everybody. It's your boy, Data, and I'm out. Appreciate all the support. Let's keep it going, make this community even bigger and bigger and bigger. I'm out.